Your company translates a lot of documents, and your team still translates every single sentence one by one. As a result, you're wasting so much time reworking the phrases that you've already translated and approved in the past. So, how about this? Every time your team translates something on Redokun, they only have to work on new text that has never been translated before. Redokun stores all your approved translations so that your team can instantly reuse or repurpose them. Whenever your previously used phrases appear in a new document, you can instantly pull up and apply the approved translation. This not only speeds up your work, but also ensures translation consistency across all your documents. You save time and improve quality. So the more your team works inside Redokun, the more approved translations you accumulate. And then you'll be able to automatically translate more text in your upcoming documents. Try translation memories on Redokun today and never translate the same sentence twice.